Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably excited to get your new Verizon SIM card up and running in 2025. With the latest updates to Verizon's network, including faster 6G speeds and smarter activation tools, this process is quicker and easier than ever. Whether you're switching phones or starting a new line, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can stay connected without any hassle. First, gather what you need: your SIM card, your compatible device, and your Verizon account details. Make sure your phone is powered off before we begin. Step 1. Insert the SIM card into your device. For most smartphones, you'll find the SIM tray on the side. Use the ejection tool that came with your phone or a small paperclip to pop it out. Place the SIM card in the tray with the gold contacts facing down, and slide it back in. Once done, power on your device. Step 2. Download the Verizon app from your App Store. In 2025, this app has AI-powered features to guide you, so it's super intuitive. If you prefer, you can also visit the Verizon website on your computer or phone. Step 3. Log in to your Verizon account. If you're a new customer, you'll need to create an account using your email and the activation code from your SIM package. Once logged in, navigate to the Activate Device, or SIM Activation, section. Step 4. Enter the required details, like the ICC-ID number printed on your SIM card. This is a unique code that helps Verizon identify your card. Follow the prompts to select your plan, verify your identity, maybe with a quick text code, and confirm everything. Step 5. Complete the activation process. The app or website will handle the rest, connecting your SIM to the network. Give it a minute or two, then check for signal bars on your phone. Test it by making a call or loading a web page. Now, a few quick tips to avoid common pitfalls. Ensure your device is 2025 compatible with Verizon's network. Check their website if you're unsure. If you encounter errors, like no signal, restart your phone or contact Verizon support through the app for instant help. And remember, always use a secure Wi-Fi connection during activation for safety. There you have it. That's how you activate your Verizon SIM card in 2025. It's straightforward and gets you online fast. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech guides. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.